and the mandalars. Hi everyone, it is Monique with Oak Knob Makes, and I'm back with you today for another unboxing. I had put in an order with Hobium when I found out they were going out of business. They were having a 40% off sale. And there were a few yarns that I had wanted to try that I had seen on other people's unboxing, and I just hadn't had a chance to order from them. So I figured I better get it while the getting was good. It took about a week and a half for it to get here. It took them about a week to even ship it. And then DHL blew the 2-day international shipping by like another 2 days. So the shipping was disappointing, but what are you going to do? And it's not like, you know, they got to worry about they're going to lose sales. They just went out of business. I will say that they did have on their website, because I did finally go to their website thinking, what the heck? And it said that they were behind on their shipping, but they had links on the site to Amazon where they were putting up their stock, and it had links for all the different countries. So, you know, if you see something and you're interested, you could always check and see if it's on Amazon. Let's get into what they sent. The very first thing, of course, is they sent the bag. And I was glad to get a bag because, you know, it's one of those things. Now I will have a bag, but it's the Hobium. And then on the back it says, all you knit is love. There was the bag, and then they sent a little tag that says handmade, and then at the very bottom it says Hobium. They sent 2 stickers. Both say #LoveHobium. One just has pretty little, oh, there we go, like crocheted and knitted little hearts and stuff with some yarn. And the other one, I believe, is an alpaca. I know a lot of people see these things and say llamas, but I think that's an alpaca because, you know, they sell alpaca yarn. Oh, a couple of pom-pom. If you don't have pom-pom makers, they sent a couple of these in the bag. So that's kind of cool. The other thing they sent me was a 15% off coupon, good until March 30th. Well, you're out of business, so I don't know that this is really going to be helpful. That was the non-yarn stuff that was in the shipment. The first thing, it is Gazelle Tango. It is a gorgeous green. It's a fine weight yarn. It doesn't say specifically what weight it is on the tag, but it is 50 grams, 300 yards, 2 to 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, 3 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needles, hand wash cold, I believe. No dry, no iron, no bleach. 20% acrylic, 70% polyamide, 10% lana merino. It's made in Turkey. It is a beautiful, shiny green. And I just thought it would make like a really pretty lacy holiday scarf. Also, with 300 yards per little ball here, that's a pretty decent amount of yarn. So I have 3 of these. So I have 900 yards. I got this, which is also the Gazelle Tango. All of the information is the same, except the color is this beautiful, it's like a blush. It's not really a pink, but it's not really a tan. It is beautiful though. It is so beautiful. And there is a luster to this yarn, but at the same time, it's very soft and kind of fuzzy looking. It's really pretty yarn. And this one I bought 4. So I have 1,200 yards of this. This is Lamia Diamond. Low pilling. Soft and shiny. And it is very soft. It is super soft. It is 229 yards, 100 grams, 70% acrylic, 30% microfiber. It's a 4 weight, 4 millimeter knitting needles, 3 millimeter crochet hook. And this is actually a very pretty yellow. I know I said in my last video that I have a hard time with yellow, but I have none of it. So the last 2 orders I wanted to try to find some, and the last one I got was a very pale, very pretty yellow. This one is a little bit more vibrant, but it's just cheerful without being garish, if you know what I mean. I struggle with yellow. So I have one in yellow, Lamia Diamond, and I have one in this pink Lamia Diamond. All the information is the same on both. Now we can get into the packs that I got. And the first one I got was Mirafill Bella Cotton, 100% Pima cotton, Lime Garden. It's backwards for me. Lime Garden. Anyways, I don't know if it will be backwards for you. I can never tell what's going to happen. It's 50 grams, 92.95 yards, 100% cotton, made in Turkey. Yarn weight 4 millimeter knitting needles, 3.5 millimeter crochet hooks. So I bought a package of these. There's 10 in the pack. So that gives me about 930 yards. to do something with. And it's quite soft. It's very nice. It was kind of one of the more expensive things I bought, actually. And so there were other colors that were very pretty that I really kind of wanted to get, but I didn't want to spend the money until I had it, you know. So maybe I will go on Amazon and see if that coupon works. See if there was some more of these, because there was a couple of colors that were really pretty that I wouldn't mind having. This would make a really pretty beach bag or something, you know. Market bags. Okay, what else? This is also Gazelle. This is Knitting Club Princess. Very fine weight. It's not showing up the color on the camera that it is in real life. It is a beautiful blue, like sky blue. This looks way more intense and tealy on the screen, but so I'm sorry you can't see it, but it has a gorgeous luster to it. It's very soft. It's 50 grams, 260 meters, 100% rayon, made in Turkey, 1.5 to 2 millimeter hook or knitting needles. Making doilies and such, maybe really lacy mandalas, but I enjoy making those things. All right, I'm not going to put the single skeins over there because look at Harry. He's just waiting. They're fiends when it comes to the yarn, man. They've already destroyed a couple of my Furls crochet hooks by chewing on them, and one of them is missing. My Odyssey hook is missing. They've taken it. I don't know where it is. I've looked under the furniture. Who knows? That one is metal, so I know they're not eating it, but for goodness sakes. Okay, the next one I got was another thing of 4 of the Gazelle Princess. This one is a beautiful lilac, also gorgeous sheen. Oh, by the way, I have already opened this. So just full disclosure, this was opened because I was sick the other day when it arrived, and I decided to open it to make myself feel better, but I looked horrible, so I wasn't going to film. Okay, the next thing, I got a, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack of natural jute twine. So I got this for a couple different reasons. I think it would be neat to try to make like a rug. This is 100 grams, 275 feet, 3.5 ounces. That's all it really says. It's just natural jute twine. I will say it kind of stinks though. I feel like some of this yarn really doesn't smell good. Okay, the next thing was a 4-pack of Lamia pastel cotton. Maybe it was I'm sorry. It was a 5-pack, but I opened it, so it fell out. This stuff is so soft, guys. So soft. But it is Lamia pastel cotton. It's 100% cotton. It's a 5 weight, it says, and I guess, yeah, all right. 3 to 4 millimeter crochet hook, 4 to 5 knitting needle, wash cold, no dryer, no bleach, no iron. 50 grams, 87 yards per ball. It's so soft. Okay, this is the Lamia Luxe. 100% cotton, 50 grams, 164 yards. It's a 2 weight, so it's very, very fine. 3 millimeter knitting needle, 2 millimeter crochet hook. It has a nice shine to it, like a sheen, but it's not shiny. This is a very pretty blue. Again, it's looking very tealish on the, it's like more like one of the blues on my shirt and I don't know why it's doing that. The next thing is another one of those. Now this is more like a mint green, and that's what it's showing up on. I don't know, but it's like a mint green, kind of a pretty mint green. All of the information is the same, and it's not as soft as the pastel cotton, but it's not, like, I wouldn't hesitate to make something to throw on. I don't think I'd use it for like a baby, but it is also very fine. This one says it's a 2 weight. This was okay. I don't know that I would buy it again, but then again, I haven't worked with it. So it might be a dream to work with. And that's always a good thing, you know? The next thing I got was a 3-pack of the Lamia Diamond. Again, the low pilling, but I got a 3-pack in white. It smells very chemically. Maybe it's just me. Another 3-pack of Lamia Diamond. This one is a really pale gray. It's very pretty, very soft. Happy to have it. The next thing was a multi-pack of like the little bonbon yarns. And I got these because I was thinking mandalas, but this is a little thick for a mandala. It says it's a 3 weight. I would say that's probably pretty accurate. It's 10 grams per little bonbon there. So it's like 31.7 yards. It's all right. It's 100% acrylic. It's not scratchy, but I wouldn't say it's really soft. But they're Lamia mini yarns. And so it's a package of 20 little mini skeins here. And I don't know, I think this was like $6. So I got 2 of those. So all the same colors. I don't have a lot of scrap yarn yet because I'm still kind of a newbie and I've used most of the yarn on the projects that I've made. So these are helpful for me to have a small amount of multiple colors. And then they had one that was also a multi-pack. It was a little bit more expensive. The colors are a little bit less intense. They're much more muted, but they're still very pretty. And this one is the Lamia Mini Cottony. These are much softer than the acrylic ones over here. This is 100% cotton. It's 65 yards, 25 grams, 3 weight. We're at the last part, the last thing in the bag, and that is this Madame Tricote Paris Orin Bayan Luxe Baby. Luxe Baby. It's nice. It's really soft. This is just a kind of a neutral grayish beige color. It's very nice though. It's very soft. It's 50% polyamide, 50% acrylic. They called this a super bulky 6. I don't think so. 3.5 to 4 millimeter knitting needles and 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Yeah, how many super bulky 6s are you using your 2.5 millimeter crochet hook with, folks? It smells. This is what has that really heavy chemical smell that is kind of infecting everything here. It's just a really strong smell. And I don't know if it's like a chemical they use to set something in this or what. It's made in Turkey. So I can say that the feel of this is really nice. Kind of, I mean, Luxe Baby, it feels almost luxurious. I mean, it's very nice, but it's not fuzzy, so to speak. But whatever it is I make with this, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to get some charcoal or something and throw these in a bag with charcoal. So that was my Hobium yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it was I've got. I hope you're not too upset that I opened the box without you or the bag without you. And, well, forgive me because I came back and at least showed you what I got. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this. And if there's anything that you're interested in, don't forget you could probably check Amazon and see if they have any left on there in stock. Thanks for spending time with me, and I look forward to being creative with you the next time we're together. Bye.